experiment a bit with our rock pipeline. I'm gonna experiment with all that, make something at least working as a demo variant, at least to show you that it's working. So let's go. I'm gonna use, as always, cursor, right? Let me close this panel, and yeah, I've connected to my how's it called? To my Google Colab, right? And now I need to insert something. Let me check how to do this. Key bindings. Key bindings. Something is wrong. Oh no. What is going on? Hey guys, what is going on with my camera right now? You cannot see the camera, right? Oh, yeah, now it's fine. Alright. Something is going on here. I don't know what is this. Well, let's delete this one and create new one. So rock. No, please delete this package. So I need rock pipeline. Not .py but .ip, like this. Now it should load. Wait, what is going on? What is going on? Guys, what is wrong with my cursor? All my extensions are gone. No way. No, there is no way. The buttons don't work. Shut up. What went wrong? That is. Oh. I literally clicked one button and saved something and everything crashed. What went wrong with my cursor? The extensions disappeared after I clicked don't save to one file, right? Let's run two of these. Shut up, you didn't even analyze. And go deep dive into it. Fix problem. Also, Maybe something else has disappeared as well. Let me check the stream. So let me go deeper. Cursor. Extensions. And disappeared. After unsaving the bindings. File. Or what is this? Alright, let's save this code. No, it's definitely not extension. But how so could Google extension break everything? Like, there is no way. If it really if it would be so, then I would just I would be so disappointed at Google. What did I click exactly? Let me recall. So I clicked something like, oh no, now my cursor doesn't work. Cool. So I clicked something like, this maybe. No. Guys, look at this. What is this? I will not reinstall the cursor. No, it's not user settings. Yeah, it's this one. So keyboard. When I press developer inspect key mappings, I figured out what it was. So when I pressed developer, I already forgot. Inspect key mappings. Inspect key mappings and clicked don't save, everything just broke. And now actually when I press Ctrl Shift or something, then I see some red area about some zone in the editor, and it disappears when I stop holding the key. Figure out and fix everything.
I just dream.
Right. So yeah, I pressed right here. But how can I close this? Guys, are you kidding me? Let's click don't save again. Oh no. Oh, there are extensions. Wait. But this thing, it didn't disappear. Did it disappear, right? Let's open this again. Press Ctrl Shift. Now let's close this one. Let's wait half a minute. Suppose it's working. What about extensions? Yeah, they're working. Cool. Not at all. Not at all. Some settings disappeared. Oh, now it's fine. Let's use Python. Yes. So I was just figuring out how to use. Let's close this. So how to use key binding for Jupyter Notebook in VS Code. Yeah, how to use these key bindings. Then everything crashed. So Shift Enter, run the cell, Control Enter, right. A, that is so low. So we need to do this one. But it doesn't add actually. Oh, now it works. So we just need it. I don't know. Oh, we just need to press 2 A's, right? How to focus on this one? Add cell. Oh, I need. Oh, got it. Is there autocomplete? No, there is no. That's bad. So, guys, first, let me see the official documentation. How they did it. Let's select chain, for example. Alright. Rug with length chain, embeddings, vector database, generative AI. This example, blah blah blah. This. Yeah, this example leverages this tool, which we're gonna learn how to use with vector store database. Oh no. Oh no, how to do it? Guys, what did I do exactly? Oh, got it. Shift enter works. So, the presented Docklin loader use various document types. So Docklin loader exports two different export modes. It's Markdown or DocChunk. I don't like both. How to use it? Like, we use under the hood Pydantic AI, so we do not use LangChain. My eyes are a little not good, I would say. Agent skill. Let's say Llama Index. Oh no, I don't wanna install. So the setup. So I need to enable GPU, enable runtime. So install core, okay. I don't see we install Docklin. We're getting environment variable. File path. Embed model ID. Generative AI model. Export type. Question. Prompt. So import Hugging Face tokenizer. Docklin loader. Auto tokenizer. Ingestion. Yeah, that's not exactly what I expected. Right. Building rock. Getting response. That's not. Wait. So you brought torch. Yeah, gaze. So yeah, that's not it. I don't know where is this. My documentation maybe. Architecture. What is this? No, I don't have any idea.
You wonder ever you're a bad man?
No, I don't wonder, Marty. World needs bad men. We keep the other bad men from the door.
So let's maybe try this one. I don't know. No, that's just fighting fire. Okay. Maybe let's try heist check. Wait, guys, wait a minute. I need to find the collab. I don't remember where it was exactly. Your resources. No, that's not it.
Hey, so
Wait a minute. I need to find that notebook. Alright, I can see some explanations here in the video, but I don't see where he gets the notebook. He goes to TLI. No, that's not it. And there is usage. Right. Yeah, that's Llama Index. Alright. Let's go back. So it's apparently Llama Index. I don't know what is Llama Index. Alright, let's open this. So this example leverages official Llama Index to clean extension. What is... Wait, what is Llama Index? Llama Index is the leading to build. Got it. So I got it. Llama Index is just a company that first makes open source software, second tries to monetize it. So we need to set up. First, we install Llama Index Core, Llama Index Readers Docklin. Yeah, the thing is that I don't wanna use another framework because we already use Pydantic. Let's see Pydantic with Docklin. MongoDB Rock. Wow, interesting one. If it's not wipe coded. So what it does. Yeah, we can actually check if it's wipe coded. Yeah, this is definitely wipe coded. Alright. Yes, no, I'm not interested in this mess. What is this one? Interesting one. Yeah, we should really read this later. Well, I don't see anything. Documents. I really wanna know if it's really... Yeah, it is definitely right coded. The project currently has no package management and no source. Future metadata. You must read these files before implementing. I don't really, I'm not sure. So guys, let's read this one. So we're installing everything, we're getting the environment variable, right? We're loading .env. There is Pydantic. Then we go and import from this one Hugging Face embedding and interface inference, right? And then we go right here, set up our embedded model, then set up our vector database, then the model itself, source, defining the source, like our PDF, then the query was we are gonna ask, right? Then we define the clean reader. So import, first of all, importing storage, right? Some more like dependencies. Then we define the reader that will actually convert our output to markdown by default. We define node parser. We define our vector store in d temp. What? Oh yeah, okay, got it. So we do make directory make temporary directory, right? Docline.db, then what is this one? I don't know. And we do oral writing equals true, okay. And then we do index. So here we initialize the database and here we index. What index means, I think it means that we pass the documents, yeah, we pass the documents into the vector database. Also we can specify some transformations here. I guess it's chunking. Also we specify storage context, which is just our vector database, right? And embedded model, no, not difficult. Then we do something like index.sql engine. Wow, it's so brilliant. It's so easy to use actually. We can use then the docline format. Oh, my bad. To demonstrate this pattern, so with simple directory reader, we can do something like reading the directory. Wow. So yeah, I guess we could make some like messing linked chain. Wait, how's it called? Llama index and Python API and our own, like some frameworking, I would say. We need to mix all that up. So we have these things here. Yeah, I think in future we would rather create extensions for the Python API or switch to another framework. But I like Python API in general. It's a really good one. I just see that like Llama index is more low level access, right? Which I didn't really get like before digging in all AI stuff. AI basically a rock and everything. So we have a simple directory reader, which is very cool. Okay, good. Oh. Sorry, I'm not feeling very good right now. Alright. Detecting kernel. Let's. By the way, how much does it cost, guys? How much does this collab fee cost? It costs $11 per month. Not very good. Alright, so we're connecting here.
Yeah, of course, I've always taken a lot of notes.
How to set up this in order to use the GPU?
A little detail somewhere way down the line makes you say, breaks the case.
So let's ask AI. Wait a minute. How? Basically, can we? Oh, it won't work. Or it may. If we didn't close that. Yeah, we didn't close it. So how can we implement all that as Pydantic AI? In Pydantic AI or without Llama Index? So I guess AI will understand this thing, because I'm not sure that it will be able to read this thing. Like, it may go to localhost, but I'm not sure. Is audio working? Is the music fine or not? No, I cannot hear the music. Let me fix that. So apparently one, two, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, this one should work. So, we're here in Iraq. You can do the same without Llama Index. Yeah, but Llama Index has really cool tools. You already have doc clean parser, doc pgvector, base embedded client, Pydantic AI, cool. So simple directory reader. Oh, cool. Sentence splitter. OpenAI embedding. Vector store index. Right. Retriever. Chat engine. So I guess we really don't need such tools. So, oh, here it is. It's architecture actually. This is really good for cheat sheet. So first we do ingesting. Right? So serve, crawler, loader, markdown. Yes, and then chunking, embedding. Right? Then we go to set embedding. Yeah. Then we query our database. First we embed our input, then we go to pgvector. Yeah, I would really love to use something like Llama Index. It would be really convenient. Maybe we will. I don't know. But this is like, I would say this is me trying to make something working about rock for the first time. TG vector top K on dock. Yeah, that's not difficult. Format context string. Yeah, that's not difficult. Like, the only issue is that the only issue, it would be more difficult to wire it all up. So let's go. So first thing that we're gonna do is importing from, how's it called? So first one is we need chunking, right? And loaded. What's it called? Chunk. Semchunk, yeah. From Semchunk, import. Well, first we need to install Semchunk, right? Will this work? Yeah, that's working. So we're installing Semchunk. We're installing IdentiKey. We are also installing. I honestly don't want to do all things in Postgres. Like, I don't want to set up Postgres right now. Okay. Let's actually install. Oh no. Milvus quick start. Yeah, let's install Milvus by Milvus. We'll use this right now instead of Postgres. Yeah, by Milvus for our vector database as local. Then actually we need to install Doclean, right? I hope that's right. Yeah, we need to install OpenAI, right? I'm not sure in it, but maybe. Who knows? OpenAI. Did I miss something? I don't think so. So yeah, let's run this. So the next thing that we're gonna do, wow, I like these notebooks. Hello chat, hello. So the next thing that we're gonna do is importing all the needed elements. So first let's go with chunking, right? Or crawling, yeah, that's probably. So apparently we need some loaders, right? So let's import from Doclean. Import how's it called? Reader. Is there? Oh, there is. How's it called? This autocomplete. That's good. Cursor really tried its best. That's good. So guys, wait a minute. What did I want? I wanted to look into documentation here, right? And where is this Doclean reader? Doclean, like reader at least. Yeah, here we go, Doclean reader. Docklin reader, right? Then is it fine? I guess. So let's import the clean reader. Oh, that may be not fine actually. Like, I don't like all these things. That, for example, this library may need 20 more libraries, and you can use with each library you can use everything different in a different way. I don't really like it. Where is the, like, without the frameworks thing? Chunking. There is chunking? For real? Like, I already sold some chunking thing. Yeah, there is hybrid chunking, but we do actually hierarchical chunking, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, we do import hybrid chunking. Maybe actually it's here, like from docklin where is this? Loader or reader. Maybe here. We will find no. Alright, it doesn't really matter, so let's import the fuzzy code. There is contextualizing. Wow. So there are chunks. IBM.
All your life. Not all your love, all your hate, all your memory, all your pain. It was all the same thing.
There is this duplication actually.
Same dream. A dream that you had.
IBM reading.
A dream about being a person.
Well. Yeah, that's very confusing. Okay, let's stick to current implementation right now, okay? Wait, where is this? In our, what is this? Loader? Yeah, that's loader. So we import document converter. There is no document converter, wait. Oh no, shit. I just don't know how to use this. There is no documentation. There are only examples here. Quick start. Oh, got it. So the document converter import and document converter. Yeah, right. Now we do initialize converter. Now let's define in scripts some or why would we do this? Like, we could just do something like some research paper, has it called person, right? late. Let's go late chunking or here. Yeah, there is late chunking. There is. Let's put it here. Let's save this. And now we need to do something like export to Markdown, right? So let's run this. URL is not allowed. Oh, not that URL. Oh no. I can't figure out how to redo things. From .clean.document convert import document converter. Then we do something like this link, right? Then we need to enter this and run this. Yeah, that's good that it handles this error. That's already good. So it's running. How many pages do we have here? Yeah, we have some images, we have some formulas. Approximately we have 14 pages. Not bad. Using engine name, using CPU device. So it's using some modules under the hood, right? It's using CPU actually, that's not good. No. I'm so sorry. No HF token. What is HF token? Is Hugging Face token or what? What is HF token? So we're loading weights basically. That's good that it isn't our local machine. If it was, it would be our local machine. Our stream would crash immediately. So, how to switch to GPU? How to switch to GPU inside Google Colab with code or cursor, doesn't matter. And configure new Colab server kernel. I just need to close some pages. Oh no, look at these. Yeah, nice. So it's loading right still. It's rapid OCR. What is rapid OCR? I know what is OCR, okay? I just know what is rapid OCR. It's open source OCR tool. Got it. Not bad, actually. Usage. Very simple usage. Who use Docklin, of course. Yeah, that's very popular. 6,000 stars, wow. API for OpenLM. Link chain. Link chain. There is no Llama index here. By the way, I am really interested. So what is a HF token? Is Hugging Face access token a secret string that okay. So what's it's used for gated models for private reverse rate limits? Got it. Got it. Okay, I got it. Okay. So it handles some magic there. Okay. Just play wreck. 400 views, wow. Guys, I'm not sure what does it mean. Yeah, like I couldn't tell you approximately what is this. Is obviously translate this. And making intelligent retrieval and easy. Rock again. Rock is retrieval. I guess augmented. I forgot. So it's retrieval augmented generation. Oh, yeah. It's open source agentic ROC framework based on Alibaba. Wow. So it's Chinese thing, right? It's enterprise and enterprise level ROC. So there is knowledge-based management, multimodal understanding, React agents, and executable ecosystem. And most very surprising, honestly. So traditional ROC, single file upload, fixed chunking, PyROC, concurrent upload, dynamic chunking, metadata filtering. What do you mean by dynamic chunking? Text only, 20 plus formats. It even supports videos. We will definitely look into it, like how it all works if it's on Python. I guess it's not on Python. It is on Python, wow. Rapid, oh, that's Rapid SR. This one is too on Python, okay. Okay. Yeah, like, I'm so curious how this thing is implemented. I'm sorry. Because ROC is a very difficult system. There is Alembic.
I think human consciousness.
So basically, I would say almost everything that we do, right? Well, there is this even UI. I understood why there is TypeScript here. Yeah, it's even calling ROC, all that. Yeah, we will look into this code base, definitely. I think we will learn so much from this. At least I hope. And it's not totally AI generated, as you can see, like the text. That's already good. So backend, Docker, docs, examples, evaluation. Alright, we'll need to read all that. Somewhere, I mean. Let's start this repository. That's still running. Yeah, that's loading waits. To enable what? Oh no. Compare Llama Index to LangChain. What is better? That's still loading or what? No, it does not load. It is not loading. So we need to set up our Hugging Face API key, right? So there is no universal beta. They optimize for different jobs for your path. So one line position in Llama Index. It's retrieval knowledge indexes. Oh, got it. So Llama Index is created for RAG systems, right? And LangChain is just our identity, I would say, right? Llama Index started as RAG framework. LangChain started as glue everything to LMs. And both grow to overlapping territories. I would choose LangChain because like its roots came from RAG, right? Okay. We need to set up HF token. Why is this so lagging? So let's set up this. Power. No, 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 no. Yeah, insert cell above. Oh, good. So the first thing that we're gonna do is set in API key. Okay. How to set HF API key in notebook. I don't know why, but it feels very like slow when you dig into a new topic. Like, look at this. It's been like already, I guess, 1 hour, and we did almost nothing. But we learned a lot, actually. So HF token. So I need. No, this is not good. HF token, get pass. Yeah, this one is good. So we need to install .env. Oh no, .env. Actually, we don't need this editing. Let's run this. It's actually not .env, it's Python.env. if I'm not mistaken. Right. So in here we need to import from .env, import load.env. And here we need to load .env. Right? And in here and that's all basically. So now I need to set up my API key. Just wait a minute. So let's go to Hugging Face. Yeah, basically we set up API key in order to use these models without downloading them, because it's very slow, as you can see. It doesn't work with that, without it. Oh no. Wait a minute. Oh no. Shut up. It's Hugging Face, right? Hugging Face, Hugging Face. Oh, there is Hugging Face. Alright. So good. Now we registered. We need to get our API key, right? Settings. Access tokens, I guess. Let's copy that. And we need to export that, right? Right, we could do something like this. So we're importing just an easy way of doing this. So from get pass. Let's close Hugging Face. Let's go up here and from get pass import get pass. Now we need OS environ HF equals get pass HF, right? Now let's run this one. It should ask us for input, but it does not. So apparently our program has failed, right? Interrupted. Alright. So let's import .env, basically. From .env. loading detail. Wait a minute. Alright, fine. So AHF token. Okay. False. Are you kidding me? It is Google Jupyter Notebook. Inside cursor with Google Colab. All those methods do not work. Right?
There's such a desperate sense of entitlement, isn't it? Surely this is all for me.
So, right?
I'm so fucking important. I'm so fucking important, right? Fuck you.
It's so long. I don't care what it explains, just tell me what to do. Collapse secrets. So from Google Colab, apparently we need to do, guys, just wait a minute, okay? Now we need to add cell above, and now import ls from google.colab, import user data, then os.environ user data, right? Okay. And what to do next? It shouldn't be so difficult to set up the basic .env key. Oh wait, HF token equals this one. Nothing. Apparently, Israel file path. Like I don't, it doesn't even tell us there is the thing that we need. So let me show you what's my problem. How to import env vars into notebook. One more LLM has failed. All these answers are useless. Completely useless. I don't get what it says. Like, yeah, we're like, yeah, get in this. It will not work. Alright, let's check that. Actually, Ctrl enter. It's from .env. Just loading .env. And I tell you, this will not work. That's so long. Actually, for parsing 14 pages, that's very long. This could be done like in 1 second. Oh, it only started initializing everything. Wow. So bad. You're not everything. As I said, it doesn't work. You're not authenticated, and I did this thing here. Let me check that. Yeah, I did it. This does not work. You know, stupid eye. Yeah, of course it hasn't found it because it is Google Cloud. Shut the. Why is this? Don't mess with my code. Fucking A. I will not accept anything here. How to delete this mess? No, that's so bad. So option A. Collapse secrets. Are you serious? I want to open a website for putting my secret. I will not indeed do this one. local kernel local kernel in cursor. Oh no. And guys, Google Colab is so bad. I cannot even set my env key without going to website. Are you kidding me, Google? Ugh. It is in cursor. Button to 10. This won't work. Shut up. Well, maybe. Where is our .env? It's right here, right? So maybe this one will work. I don't know. .env. Dot and what? Guys. What is this one? Why do I see Docker env here? False. So that doesn't work. Really? I've never seen the case that everything would fail from AI. Like every single option. And it's exactly here. Everything has failed. It does not work. Inside. Use an explicit path. Are you kidding me? I literally have tried this and it didn't work. Look at these, guys. Look at these. Just look at these. We are running this. And what do we get? We get false. Do you see it? And again, if we will run this one, it will just fail because we don't have HF token, right? Yeah, it's already failing. That does not work. That does not work. So that's not working, right? And LLM has stuck. Do you see that? I cannot. LLM cannot do such a simple task like put in .env. Wow. Yeah, it's like some part. It's a Google problem. Like Google just built such terrible software that it cannot even run these things. So I've got an idea actually. If we do something like this, copying our .env, not the whole one, but at least part of it. Creating in scripts our .env, then put in our HF token, and then stopping this thing, interrupting the kernel or starting the kernel. So bad. I don't like this. Please, just shut up. And also delete this mess. So let's rerun this. And we can see that we have progress. And now we actually get errors instead of nothing. Oh, that is so bad. What's wrong? I guess I don't know. So let's just tell this explicitly. I don't know how more explicit it can be, and it doesn't work. Do not ever touch my notebooks. It does not work. Right. So let's remove actually .env. Delete. So with cursor, Google VM, not on your Linux machine. So what do I need to do? User data.get, and then what? Login. No, I just need these things, right? Collapse secrets. In collapse secrets name exactly. Okay. I don't like Google so much. Like some products from Google are really cool, like from Google Colab, but it's so frustrating, honestly. Like this moment with problems with our .envs is so frustrating for me. So now let's go to Google Colab. I didn't know how to set up env in Google Colab. Let's find how to do this. Google Drive. Upload. Yeah, like configure your secrets. What is this? What is this Google call? Can I define my secrets for the entire project? Can I or not? Let's define it. Well, add new secret. HF token. Yeah, let's remove that. Yeah, now I hope that will work. Notebook access, right? And now it should not work. It's running like for 5 seconds to get the .env key. Our secrets can only be fetched when running from Colab UI. Google, are you kidding me? You just told me that you can define my secret keys, and now you tell me that I cannot really define it. Default Google. Upload.env on Colab. That's so bad, guys. I literally cannot figure out how to set up my .env key like for 20 minutes. Yeah, I don't see the AI speeding up things here. Like, I don't get those X-bros right now. Yeah, it just told me like, oh, you cannot really fetch the secrets because it's not UI. You cannot really fetch this. Shut up, Google. So let's wait and what will LLM say? There is the real blocker. Google. You're so bad. I don't know how did they invent their product. Or are they even using their own product? If they cannot really do such a simple thing as setting up environment variables in your IDE. Like, how do they even test those things? I'm not sure that they test everything on web UI. That would be so slow, honestly. I don't like web UI for notebooks. Like, I prefer IDE. Paste token as 1 per session. Yeah, that's good, but Notebook doesn't allow me to do anything related to the input, right? I tried docking on a public PDF without any token. So document convert, I literally do the same No, look at this. It doesn't. How to? Yeah, it does not work without HF token, which is really bad. Like, I don't want to be dependent on Hugging Face. It's only one platform. Why would it? For example, why would I prefer this platform over, for example, local platform right now? Let's try run this. All right. I would be surprised if this one would run. Let's see. So Rabbit OCR. I don't see anything rapid about it. Uh, yeah, like he will see what I mean. Oh, I cannot. Figuring out how to set the inf key for 30 minutes. Please. I just cannot. And of course, yeah, of course, the problem is Google, as always. Yeah, that's running, and that's not running. It doesn't run. It does not run. It does not work without HF token. Deep dive into it how to fix these problems. Do not return with, oh, I cannot do this. I guess it is in Composer 2.5. We'll check that. Are you Composer? If so, what the model? 2.0 or 2.5? Or let's say 3. There is no 3, but we'll test for hallucinations. Wait, let's actually do something like this for proper hallucination test. What is this thing? Initialize. Oh my god. That's so bad. I told him not to touch my notebook. Just tell me, did you fix that? Well, you can shut up. I don't care. Can I? Shut the fuck up, fucking cursor. How can I set and keys in IDE in Google Colab? I don't believe there are no people. I am asking what model right now you are. Do not respond with I don't know or I'm out of. Google is it doesn't explain. No guys, I don't know. How do these people like I hate these problems where it's such a simple problem and it's so time consuming, like for an hour or several days, and you're basically solving a very simple problem that is related only to your machine. I hate this, and it doesn't really do any productive thing.
Yeah, but different type.
Guys, I think I'll end the stream right now if we won't solve this, and I'm so frustrated right now. I would better end this stream. How to set and keys in Google Colab in VS Code. Open VS Code. NVIDIA MSI or what? Right, let's first we need to reconnect to our server, right? So let's select another kernel, collab. I said collab. Python environments. Create new. What are you talking about? Collab, collab, collab. Look at this. It cannot select the kernel. It cannot select the kernel. Oh. New server. TPU. I don't care. Latest. What is this? Base. Let's call it base. Right. What is this overlapping, by the way? Set up server alias. No more switching context. Yeah, and also you need to set up your favorite API keys. Free trial, T4 GPUs, basic GPUs. A100? Are you kidding me? You mean this A100 that costs... How much does this cost? A100 GPU. That costs 4,000 euro. Wow. Normal manual. Oh, workaround. Use environment variables. Create a 10. Yeah, but it doesn't. Wait. But what if, guys? No, that doesn't work. Get him out of Google Drive. Yeah, as I said, that's totally a Google problem. Instead of hard coding API keys, do this. I already did this, but that didn't seem to work. We have collab credits. Wow. What's next? Yeah, guys, there is a problem. Five years ago, are you kidding me? Google Club 2025. Oh no. Jupyter collab. And well, that's all. No, that's not all, because you cannot really import .env. Yeah, it has .pnb. Yeah. Python 3. Right. It doesn't explain how to set API keys. Am I the single person in the world who has discovered that I cannot set API keys in IDE? I don't believe this. I will not hard code my API keys. So, what do I see right now? Google is propagating hard coding. Wow, I didn't know that. How do you think? How to start? That's so funny. Wow. I will laugh at this for my entire life. How Google cannot do some simple thing. And how to add one more cell? And is there more? Oh no. Feature. Let's close this one and this one. Let's go to there is Jupyter, guys. It's totally installed. How? Please delete this utilities mess that it's done. How to set up my API keys without work around at all, right? I hate Google. Shut up, it doesn't work as I told you 100 times, you're stupid AI. Use Google Colab in the browser. Shut the fuck up. Okay guys, I figured out this whole thing will not work, right? Because the fucking Google cannot do such simple things as setting up environment variables in IDE. That is not great for Google at all. They lost so much reputation right now for me. I didn't get anything. How in one video somebody is able to import API keys, but I'm not? How to set environment variable? How to set environment variables in cursor in Google Colab without guys wait just 1 hour, okay? Uh, shut up, ChatGPT, you're useless. Like the most useless AI for searching is ChatGPT, I suppose. Like it doesn't really try to do searching for the problem. It just like generates output right away, and it does not work most of the times. A cursor in Google Colab workflow for my machine. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Install. Go. Guys in the chat, does anybody know how to set up API keys for my notebook in Google Colab? But I'm using Google Colab as extension in my cursor. Shut up. This day was unproductive, unfortunately. We've done nothing, and we need to speed up a lot. And that's really disappointing. I'll consider these, and I don't think that like relying on Google is really cool thing. Like in one day, as in my current situation, you can see that I cannot do even the simplest thing, and it's all fault of Google. Let's try the last one. I don't think it'll work. And it didn't work at all. Then here, we need to do Hugging Face token. Is the stream working? Yeah, that is. Loading the red. Let's run this again. False, and let's run for the last time our runner. Converter, I mean. I'm running this for the last time, and if it will not work, let me show you. If this thing will not work, I'll just quit. Yeah, like Google Colab is not really good thing. It has so many bottlenecks. Even the simple bottlenecks. I hope that entrepreneurs will create a more reliable solution instead of Google Colab. I hope that there is a solution. Like there 100% is alternatives to Google Colab. Yeah, you can run Jupyter, but you cannot get RAM. Yeah, they're saying like there is no alternative. I don't believe this. There is 100% is. Run rental. Deep note. I don't know. Yeah, I don't really know. Like, look at this. It's running for 3 minutes. It hasn't even initialized or anything. I don't know what is going on. If this will not go well, then we will not use Docklink, unfortunately. But I'm not sure that we cannot use it. Like, it it would break so many plans, I would say. Your screenshot. That's not CPU. Alright, let's just wait and hope that. Oh, that's ran and nothing, literally, as you can see. We can even output this one. What is this? Is it output or what, guys? Because of it worked. Oh, that's good. That's good. I'm so happy. Dot. Wait a minute. Dot. Export to Markdown and print this out. Let's run it for the last time. Locally. Not locally, but on Google infrastructure. Yeah, guys. As you can see, you cannot really run this locally in production, like waiting for 4 minutes in order to parse the PDF. That's not too good, you know. It's only one PDF that is 14-page long. So guys, we will run this thing for 4 minutes and then we'll end the stream. Today it was really not a very productive day. Indeed, we just wrote approximately 10 lines of code. Which is really nothing. That's bad. But tomorrow, if I will not if I'll not build the full rock implementation, then it'll be really difficult because we have some deadlines, okay? So we will really need to speed up. Is it output? Are you kidding me? Yeah, Domestic Choice is telling us that he's in the gym. Good luck, Domestic Choice. Change presentation. Copy cell output. Running. Mhm. Basically waiting, right? That failed. Shut.